into it. The 10 defenses. Number 1, pretty basic. Avoiding eye contact. Some of us are very good at maintaining eye contact. You know, we don't even think twice about it. But for others, it can be really hard. It can feel really intimate to maintain eye contact with people. But it's actually a way that we avoid intimacy when we look away. Think about, you know, when you're trying to have a conversation with someone and they're not maintaining eye contact, they're looking down, they're not paying attention. Think about how it makes you feel. What ends up happening is people feel, they feel unseen, and also it can create a sense of distrust in you, because when people don't look us in the eye, often the listener is, often the person who's seeing you do that is like, you know, what is this person hiding? What's up with them? Like, why aren't they maintaining eye contact? And it can also indicate, you know, that someone's lying or not being truthful, not being sincere. And even if we're avoiding eye contact because we're just nervous or shy, it can send all kinds of messages that really hurt our relationships. So, avoiding eye contact. Number 2, humor. I've actually had some comedians take an intimacy workshop that I've done, and they've said that they've realized how much they use humor to deflect intimacy in their life. Now, humor, you're probably thinking, wait, humor's awesome. Humor, you know, can make people feel closer. Totally, it can be a bonding thing. However, if you're using humor to avoid intimacy, what it can cause is people will not take you seriously, and they'll be less apt to share personal things. They're less likely to share personal things because they're afraid that you might make a joke about it. I mean, imagine if you had something really personal to share with someone who's gonna make a joke, you'd be really unlikely to share something really personal with them because it wouldn't feel safe. So it actually can make people not feel safe if you're always cracking jokes, and it can really hurt your relationships.